Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Il est midi 21, je viens de rentrer du gym and yeah, je dois faire plusieurs petits trucs, so we're gonna see what we get done. Je suis en train de me demander qu'est-ce que je mange. Je sais pas, faut que je fasse la lessive aussi. Je sais pas si je finis ça parce que ben, j'en ai un dernier, fait que je le finis tant qu'à y être. Donc je pense qu'on va aller avec les boules d'air. Mais avant je vais juste... Je pense que ce vlog ça va se faire pendant avec de la musique parce que là je suis overwhelmed. Guys, can you... Damn!
Let the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for. Got me in the mirror, getting cute for it. Lay back, let me show you what I do for it. Pull out the ballet in a new toy. Blow back, now we kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. This shit I got you on my mood board. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. I fit all this in my pen. Same way I fit you in my plans. Love the fact that we just friends, and I hate that we just friends. Round two, he want revenge over and over again and again. Can you? I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Damn, sheesh, you make it so hard to be picked. Got me wearing my heart on my sleeve. I be missing you soon as you leave. Damn, really missing you soon as you leave. Double texting that really ain't me. Double tap on that pick and delete. I got him bringing sand to the beach. He got me going up on the yacht. I'm like, keep going, baby, don't stop. Only one got the key to the box. Katie body like you seen her all. I get messy, you might need a mop. Just like Messi, we kick it alive. While she chasing, I'm climbing on top. Got me screaming out your first name. Picking up on the first ring. Come do me the worst way. Don't care what no birds say. You was always first play. Got me calling out word today. Come give it to me, baby. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body. Let away.
Okay, I'm going to shower. And guys, the thing I just ate, thank God it's my last pack. Well, I didn't have, j'avais pas acheté un paquet. It's just that my boyfriend know I used to love those, like, eat those ramen those bulldog every single day. But the way my stomach is yelling for help, oh my God. One thing at a time. I'm just going to like shower, just get rid of everything. I'm done with the cleaning, so. Okay guys, the cleaning is all done. J'ai littéralement dit que je voulais me doucher après avoir clean everything. Et une fois douché, j'ai clean the worst part. But je savais pas que j'allais le laver. C'est juste like, once I was in the shower, I was like, ooh, maybe I should like, you know. But yeah, here's the fit. Uniqlo, and Little Crocsy. 14h25. Je vais faire le plus d'edits possible. J'ai besoin du truc pour transférer. But I legit use it every day. Can't be that far. We found it, guys. Soon. This is my favorite ever. And this one, I hate it to death. J'ai tellement de trucs de protéines. Je veux trouver une façon d'aimer les protéines que j'aime pas. Attends, mais d'où la fin? Ah, la fin sur la carte. Ok, guys. Je dois vous laisser. Donc ça transfère et on se voit après. Ben après, je pense que la vidéo est presque finie. Genre vous allez me voir faire ça et après. Mais aujourd'hui c'est vraiment juste productive day. Fait que j'essaie de juste filmer productive thing. Parce que souvent quand je vlog je m'éparpille comme en ce moment. Je sais que mon ADHD se voit pas à travers la caméra. Ok, well, pas qu'il se voit pas mais not too much. Vraiment que ça fait parfait. I did my makeup and I was cool and I put the same hoodie that I put every single time. Don't piss me off, don't piss me off, okay? It's just so comfortable. I need to buy more of this brand. Anyway, just I said, baby, I'm a dog, she said, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. Time to break it in. 32 live on pants size cause I'm trying breaking it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they full clips.